How to enable or disable camera quick tap shutter on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. And from here, tap on the settings icon. Now in camera settings, we now scroll down and then tap on camera assistant. Next, go down, then tap on quick tap shutter. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on quick tap shutter. Here say, take pictures as soon as you touch the shutter. An extra picture will also be taken when you swipe or hold the shutter. Now tap on the back key, and then if you tap on the shutter button, it will quickly capture the picture as soon as you touch it. And that's it. Here you can see the pictures are taken quickly. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.